Alright, 4J's Entertainment TV, say thank you to the following. Ma'am Ann Rose Guzman of Singapore. Ma'am Ann Alarzar Gabion of Singapore. Ma'am Belen of Singapore. Ma'am Bebeko of Oman. Ate Ferago Osbakani of Bulacan. Ate Lilibeth Aliado Natividad of Singapore. Reggie Cortez of Singapore, thank you. Ate Virgie Viloria of Portugal. Ma'am Susan Rakipo. Ate Perlita Aglipay Machas of Canada. Nana Nilda Lanca of California. Miss Mabel Racho of Paris, France. Tita Elma Kurameng of Canada. G. Cortez Pasis of the Philippines. Ma'am Cornelia Tabangay. Thank you also to Ma'am Mercy Torado. To Ate Love, Ate Rebecca Carino, thank you so much. Mami Josie Bagao of Hawaii. Epot Calban o Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. Auntie Heidi Pinol of Qatar. Cindy Tango Navarro of Australia. Eduardo Tango Jr. of Australia. Sir Orlando De Leon of Hawaii. Sir Florendo Lagondino of Saudi Arabia, thank you so much. Ma'am Maribeth Bumanglag Aganus. Diaz Beach House. Kurameng Tourist House. Triple N. Asyong Transient House. And of course, printing at iba pa. Of course, ang admin, we have Freddy A. Barba, aka DJ Fiona. DJ Ann Rose Guzman of Singapore. Angelina Lamo of Abu Dhabi. Of course, we'd like to say thank you. Ang bumubuo po ng 4J's Entertainment TV. We have Tita Josephine Samalio Tango. Jeremiah Tango Chong. Jonah Tango Chong. Joyce Tango Chong. Of course, our manager, Sir Rexon Samalio Tango. And of course, yours truly, your digital jocks, DJ Alan Manzano Cortez. To all of you, maraming salamat and God bless us all. More blessings in return. Of course, maraming salamat also to Mami Kay Caridad de la Cruz. Thank you so much, Mami. Thank you.